Here's how to find journal entries on QuickBooks. If you are already signed in to QuickBooks Online, begin by making sure the correct company file is open. This matters if you work with more than one company, since the reports will only reflect the file you currently have on screen. Once you have confirmed that, move to the left-hand navigation menu and click Reports. On the Reports page, place your cursor in the search bar near the top. Type Journal into the search field and wait for the matching report options to appear. From the search results, select the Journal report. This opens the report where QuickBooks lists journal-related transactions based on the date range and filters you choose. At the top of the Journal report, find the Report Period setting. Use that menu to select the period you want to review. If the dates you need are not covered by one of the preset options, choose Custom instead. Then enter the specific start date and end date for the range you want to check. This is useful when you need to review entries for a month-end adjustment, a quarter, or another exact period. After the date range is set, look through the available filters on the report. Use these to narrow the results to the transactions or accounts you want to review. Depending on what you are looking for, filters can help remove unrelated activity and focus the report on a specific area. If you need a broader view, you can leave the filters as they are and continue with the full report. When your report period and filters are ready, click Run Report or refresh the report if that option appears instead. QuickBooks will apply your selections and update the results on screen. If the report takes a moment to load, wait for the table to refresh before reviewing the details. Now review the journal entries shown in the report. As you move down the list, look at the date for each entry, the transaction details, the accounts involved, and the debit and credit amounts. You can also review any memo information included with the entry. This view is helpful when you need to verify what was posted, confirm which accounts were affected, or check the supporting note attached to a transaction. If you want to inspect one entry more closely, select that journal entry from the report. QuickBooks will open the complete transaction details so you can view the full record in its individual transaction screen. From there, you can review the entry in more detail and confirm that it matches what you were expecting to find. Thanks for watching. You have now opened the journal report in QuickBooks Online and reviewed the journal entries for your selected period.